summer heat is reaching its peak, and the only reason we may not complain about the season is because it brings us the king of all fruit. The rich flavor and juicy pulp of a mango can easily make one go from fasting to feasting. So while you're gorging on the fruit, we tell you what you gain and what you lose.
It's considered a very good fruit. Calorie-wise, it's about, say, 135 to 150 calories. But a reasonable medium-sized mango is about 135 to 150 calories. So it helps people to gain weight. And it's given to children for strength, energy and stamina. Because children run around a lot and they need that kind of strength and energy.
Fondness for mango-based desserts is heavenlier than the fruit itself. And just for the sake of pure indulgence, we headed to ITC Grand Central Mumbai for a taste of 3 mango favorites through the summer. And yes, we carried a calorie calculator. If the mango had to pick its favorite representation of itself, it would pick the tiramisu for sure. To make a mango-flavored tiramisu, you'll need whipped cream, mascarpone cheese, mango puree, white sponge cake and sugar. Needless to say that the ingredients do make for a great dessert, but beware. One slice of the mango tiramisu can add up to 400 calories to the scale. Next on our list is the favorite noontime summer dessert, the mango souffle. For the souffle, you'll need some mango puree, pieces of mango and whipped cream with sugar to taste. Now, even though the mango factor in the dessert does add to the nutrition, all the added sugar makes it an extremely unhealthy indulgence. A portion of mango souffle contains up to 450 calories. Next up is the most popular version of the king. It's the simple and superbly refreshing mango milkshake. Not only is it a delicious and filling snack, but mango milkshake also aids in weight gain. That's if you're not working on losing weight. Mangoes are low in protein and rich in sugar. Milk, as we all know, is high in protein. Together, they complement each other really well. And since mangoes are already rich in sugar, you don't need to add anything to sweeten your poison further. A glass of mango milkshake contains 270 to 300 calories. The calories are high, but so is the temptation to gorge on this seasonal delight. We recommend you take care of your taste buds, but compensate by burning off your mango-licious side on the treadmill.